Guys, it's me RB here and welcome to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. And today, I'm gonna show to you top 5 best seeds ever in Minecraft Pocket Edition. And the seed number 1 is this. Wait, let me show to you guys. Wait again, okay. This guy, okay. The seed number is, or letter, the seed called Wiz with WI say 000. Okay, let's go to it. And yep, look at that. Amazing. This is Mushroom Island Village. You can find. Also, guys, did my texture is awesome. I'm gonna leave down below, guys. Link down below, guys. Download this look, this green pickaxe here. I'm gonna leave down below. Check out. Okay. Let's go to seed number 2. Okay. So seeds number 2 is twins. Twins. Yay. The seed called TWINS. Okay, let's go into it. This is cool. Jungle village, jungle sand village, pretty awesome. And this is desert well. What is? You can go desert well. This is the rarest structure too. Okay. No. So let's go to another seed. Into seed number 3. I'm lagging. Stop. Okay, seed number 3. 1301. Okay. Don't forget it. 1301. Okay, I'm gonna say it again so I can forget. 1301. I'm right, guys. Okay, this is Sun Temple. Sun Temple. Okay. Sun Temple. I can see the ice. Let's clear it first and see the entrance. Okay. Here, the entrance. Let's check out this. Don't fall in the middle. Whoopsie. Okay. Emeralds. Return flesh. Flesh iron. Okay, diamond. That one had diamonds. That's great. And yeah. Goodbye items. And blow up. There you go. Okay. Wait. Oops, sorry. Battery is low. Oh no. Okay, what's inside of these things? Oh. So this is it. That's kinda awesome. Can I get a torch for you guys? Okay, this is it. Okay, seed number 3. I mean 4. Come on. Okay, there we go. I have only 15% more. Okay, so seed number 3 is with capital A and CE. Write that. Okay, let's go. This is oh, I know this. this island village. I mean, what village is called this? I don't know. Look at that. That's so amazing. Look. Okay. This is good. Okay, let's go to seed number 5. The last one. 6. Okay, the last one is 618683958. Okay, I'm gonna repeat it. 618683958. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we are. Sand village. It's I don't know. That's only what? Also, they have this blacksmith. Oh, okay. They have blacksmith. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And have a good time. Bye!